James ke sangma ubadai menteri ke sarkar jala bape ya kata kakoi kakia menta kasi ka apsau trik ubnai nairun ulas sedang menyelap election siteng samai jong kemau keneng konsensi nak mentau kertong ke NPP ba penya sing siam wat lada nak kaliang jong election commission jong kerin dia kam siam melapor benbenai kataring ya kaniu James ula kerpa di pai ba bar ya kinoi lam senong kesnong sorang kam ha ke jengle jugu ban jurip ya kijaka bante ya KPC bat ulapan pau bawa penya udai noi lau ubudan sisa ke jingsau kia na mentai pai ba bat sibun ki kam ke babha nak mentau pai ba ulale ha kapor ke jong but kidon kam ba kum unionong elam uban poi sakathong.
Today, Papiniad is also our candidate, and I would like to take this opportunity here today that let us all work unitedly. You all know that despite the various challenges that this government is facing, especially in light of COVID, especially because of the way that COVID has disrupted not just the lives of everybody, all the citizens, but also disrupted the way that governments function, the way that the economy has to adapt to all this situation, the way that students have had to adapt. So much of disruption has taken place. But despite these challenges and despite these difficulties, you all know that the NDA government has been trying to do its level best and has been delivering. And we need further encouragement from our public, from our citizens, and that encouragement comes in the form of our representation. So when our representative gets the support of the people, of the citizens, then it is such an encouragement for the government to also go and work harder and to work with more enthusiasm. So my request to each and every one of you is, although the election has not yet been declared, but I may get an opportunity to meet you again or may not get an opportunity to meet you again. So therefore I would like to take this opportunity to request each and every one of you, let's all work together. Papiniad needs no introduction. He is your local MDC. You know how hard he is working. Today he has come to me and he has made all these facts known about this area. He's so concerned about the healthcare and the health infrastructure which needs upgradation, which has been pending for so long. This is the kind of leadership that we require in the area. And this is the kind of leadership, if given a chance, will really be able to bring about change and will be able to really change many things which require change right now in your constituency. So I don't want to take much time here, but you all know Papiniad is your candidate, although elections is not yet declared, but he is very much the NPP candidate, the MDA candidate, and we would like to request each and every one of you a very humble request from my side that let us all work together, let us all come together and support Papiniad in this coming election.